What should I say were I leaving permanently? What would I like everyone to remember? Well, these are my thoughts to leave you with, things I've told you over the years. Very interesting. We had summary on the last lecture. Now we have another summary in a way, a bigger summary. It is God's purpose to give himself to all of us, to each of us, as if there were no other in the world, just God and you, God and I. Believe this, and the most unbelievable story in the world, which is the Bible, becomes possible and believable. And it is the Son who makes us sure that it is really true. You dwell upon it. In many and various ways, he spoke to our fathers through the prophets, but in these last days, he has spoken through his Son. Hebrews 1:1. The fathers spoken of, we are the fathers. You didn't begin in the womb of your mother, and you are not going to end in the grave. You've been coming a long, long while. It's a journey. It's a long journey. The fathers spoken of are right here this night. And in many ways, he spoke to the fathers. You're told in the book of Numbers, he spoke to us through the medium of a dream. He spoke through the medium of a vision. He is still speaking through the medium of a dream and that of a vision. 12:6. The Bible recognizes only one source of dream and vision, and that source is God. A daydream does not differ from a night dream, save in this one little aspect. In the night dream, we are servants of our attention. It leads us anywhere. In the daydream, we should be masters and guide it where we want it. If you remember that in my absence, you can take this world of Caesar and make it conform to your dreams.